Quizzes in e-learning are valuable tools that actively engage learners and reinforce knowledge retention. They provide instant feedback for better understanding and progress tracking, while also helping educators efficiently assess student comprehension, creating effective learning experience. When using an e-learning authoring tool to create quizzes, you typically have to manually add each question, input text, and configure settings, which can be time-consuming. However, with AI, this process becomes faster and more efficient, saving time while maintaining quality. An AI-powered e-learning quiz generator is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to help educators, trainers, and content creators automatically generate quizzes for online learning. Instead of manually creating questions, AI analyzes the provided content and suggests or generates quiz questions instantly. In this video, we show you how to create e-learning quiz in uPresenter. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful uPresenter tips and tutorials. What is uPresenter? uPresenter is an online platform that uses AI to help you create quizzes and presentations easily and quickly. At present, uPresenter supports 8 question types to help users create quizzes, surveys, and interactive presentations. True-false question is ideal for testing basic knowledge or verifying statements. For multiple-choice questions, users have to select one correct answer from multiple options. It's great for assessing understanding of specific topics with clear answers. Different with multiple-choice questions, multiple response questions allows users to select more than one correct answer. It's useful when a question has more than one valid response, encouraging deeper comprehension. Fill-in text entry questions require users type in their answer in a blank text field. This question is effective for testing recall and exact wording of terms or facts. Next, sequence question. This question requires users to arrange items in the correct order. It's ideal for evaluating knowledge of processes, sequences, or logical steps. Essay question. This is an open-ended question, allows users to express their ideas freely. Next, drop-down question. It requires users to select an option from a drop-down list. This question type is great for long option lists while keeping a clean design. The last one is the slider question. Here, users have to adjust a slider to select a value. It's suitable for rating scales, measuring opinions, or collecting numerical responses. Additionally, uPresenter is continuously updated, with plans to support more question types in the future. Now, let's learn how to create e-learning quizzes using AI in uPresenter. First, head over to uPresenter.ai. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in the uPresenter workspace, click Create with AI. Enter your lesson topic, select the content options as quizzes, and customize the category, style, and language to suit your needs. Click Continue, and uPresenter will generate a quiz list for you in just a few seconds. Here, you can edit, add more, remove, or reorder questions in the list. Click Continue. Select a template that complements your content. uPresenter offers a variety of templates to give your quizzes a professional look. Click Continue, then wait for uPresenter to generate the e-learning quizzes as settings. And here's what you got. Besides, you can edit the generated question or manually add a new one. For example, I add a fill-in text entry question. Click Questions on the left menu. Select Fill-in text entry question. Click the question title to enter your question. Then, add the correct answers to this question. Click the text entry and click this button. Click Add Answer. Type the correct answer into the blank. Case sensitivity refers to whether uppercase and lowercase letters are treated as different or the same. For example, if case sensitivity is enabled, apple and apple are considered different. On the other hand, if case sensitivity is disabled, apple and apple are treated as the same. Then you can set scores for this question. Click Question on the right menu and adjust the score value if needed. By default, users will get 1 point if they answer correctly. In case you just want to collect information, you can change from graded mode to the survey mode. When everything's done, click Present or press Alt-P to preview all questions. Once you're happy with it, it's time to share it. uPresenter offers several ways to share your e-learning quizzes. Click the lock icon in the top right corner to publish your lesson and generate a shareable link. For offline access or LMS integration, you can also download your lesson as a PDF file for printing or as an XAPI package for uploading to a LMS. And that's how to create e-learning quizzes with uPresenter, a free AI quiz generator. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.